What a fantastic opportunity here, 312 Railway Terrace and 3 and 5 Cross Street at Guildford. 3 properties to be sold in line, situated on approximately 1,542 square meters block with dual street frontage and featuring high density zoning with FSR up to 1.4 to 1 and building height up to 17 meters. Superbly positioned opposite railway station and next to the vibrant shopping strip. Let's take a look. With approximately 18 meters frontage to Railway Terrace and 24 meters frontage on Cross Street, this outstanding development or investment opportunity demands your attention. My name is Stephen Fan. On behalf of the Railway Panel Group, we look forward to hearing from you soon for this project.